This first act is called ball game. Sophia, Lola, Zoe, Sophia, Iris, and Teresa are playing catch.
Hey guys, wanna play tag for a while?
No, tag is stupid.
Everyone laughs.
Yeah, tag is for babies.
Wow, that hurt my feelings when my friend said that to me.
I always feel bad when my friends say mean things, but I don't want them to say mean things to me, so I just stay quiet.
Sophia, Lola, Zoe, Sophia, Iris are playing catch. Teresa is watching them play.
Can I play? Sure. We are done playing anyway. Come on, guys.
Zoe and Iris start following her.
That's not nice. I'm still playing. Yeah, me too.
Me too. Yeah, then maybe later we can all play tag together.
Okay.
This next act is called soccer field. Sergio, Izan, Hugo, Kiro, and Hector are playing soccer.
Hey, pass the ball.
Hector tries to pass the ball, but Izan steals it away from him. Ha!
Oh, you're so bad at soccer. Yeah, go on the other team.
No, we don't want him either.
Whatever. I don't want to play anymore anyway.
I feel bad when I hear people say mean things, but I keep quiet because I'm scared they won't let me play either.
I really do want to play. Everyone makes mistakes. It makes me so mad when people kick me out of the game.
Sergio, Izan, Hugo, and Hector are playing soccer. Izan tries to make a goal, but he misses it.
You missed.
It's okay. It's soccer. It's normal.
Yeah, even Neymar misses sometimes.
Thanks, guys. This next play is called Bus. Caesar, Angie, Gonzalo, Alvaro, Maria, Siobhan are sitting on the bus. Maria's in the front row. Maria. Hi, Maria.
Maria. Hey, Maria.
Oh my gosh, you guys are so mean.
What? We were just saying hi. Maria, hi.
Leave her alone. It's not funny.
Yeah, she doesn't like it anymore.
Can I sit next to you, Maria?
Sure.
I like your glasses.
Thanks.
This next act is called Classroom. Will, Vincent, Blanca, Martina, Elena, and Antonio are listening as Miss P passes out the posters for a project.
Okay, guys. We're going to work with a partner.
Will runs next to Vincent, and Blanca and Martino signal to each other.
Partners?
Yeah. Guys, I haven't finished speaking yet. I'm going to pick the partners, okay? So Will and Blanca, Vincente and Martina go together, and Antonio and Elena.
Aww. Haha, you have to work with Marina.
Miss P, this is so dumb. Why can't we choose our own partners? I'm right here. Don't they realize I can hear them?
Will, Vincent, Blanca, Martina, Elena, and Antonio are listening as Miss P passes out the booklets.
Okay, so remember, when you hear your partner's name, if it isn't your best friend, don't say oh because it will hurt their feelings. So, Will and Elena.
I'm glad I'm working with you because you have really good handwriting.
Thanks, and you're really good at art. Antonio and Veronica.
Hi, Blanca. Where do you want to work?
Let's work on the floor. Bring my colored pencils.
As you can see in these 4 plays that we presented to you, bullying is a thing that you shouldn't do. In the Bible, it says that we should be kind to everybody. I hope you like the plays that we presented to you.